Hi, I'm Kimberly Petrocaro and I'm with StaticWorx. A lot of people want to know, what's the difference between a regular floor and an ESD floor? Well, an ESD floor has conductive material running all the way through it. If you look at this tile, you can see that there are little tiny veins in it. That's the conductive properties in the tile. Another way to tell the difference between the two floors is measuring the electrical resistance using your ohmmeter and two 5-pound probes. This is important because the material in the ESD floor is going to take the electricity off of you and into ground. When you buy one of StaticWorx floors, we actually send you an ohmmeter for a loan with your probes, and we walk you through the testing of your floor. We then analyze your results, and we'll send you, for your end user, a certificate of compliance stating that your floor is in compliance with ANSI ESD S20.20. If you want to go one step further, we have message tiles. We're always available for technical support, so let us help you. Thank you.